Today, we're going to dive deep and get to know the architectural firm CJD Architects and Partners. We're going to look at what they stand for, check out some of their amazing work, and really understand the unique mark they're leaving on the world of design.
Sophisticated living, architecturally designed. That's the firm's tagline, and it really tells you everything you need to know right off the bat. It's not just about bricks and mortar. It's about crafting a whole lifestyle through smart, elegant design.
So, what's the big idea behind that tagline? Let's dig into the core vision, the real why that drives every single project they take on. Okay, there's a lot to unpack here. They're trying to hit that sweet spot between timeless and innovative, which is no easy feat. And notice how it's all about the client. The goal is to take your lifestyle and build a beautiful, comfortable, and sustainable space around it. But who's behind this powerful vision? To really get a company's philosophy, you have to look at the people who started it all.
And here they are. The firm was actually founded by a husband and wife team, architect Cyril Joy Nagrampa Delusa and John Delusa. When you see a partnership like this, you just know there's a deeply personal investment in every single project, all built on a shared passion for creating truly special places. And that passion is guided by 4 core commitments. Of course, they're dedicated to design excellence, but check out client collaboration. This means they're not just working for you, they're working with you as a partner. The other 2, creating spaces that inspire and endure, show they're thinking about the bigger picture, the lasting impact of their work.
All right, a great vision is one thing, but can they back it up with a real-world experience? Let's talk numbers because, well, numbers don't lie.
First up, they've been making their mark on the industry for 8 years now.
And in that time, get this, they've completed over 1,000 projects all across the country. And all that work adds up to an absolutely massive physical footprint. We're talking over 5 million square meters of space developed. That is a whole lot of ground to cover, literally.
So what exactly makes up those incredible numbers? As you're about to see, their portfolio is incredibly diverse.
Yeah, they definitely don't stick to just one thing. Their work covers everything from personal homes to large-scale commercial and business centers. And they even tackle really complex stuff like mixed-use developments and beautiful spots for recreation and leisure.
Let's look at a concrete example. Here's a recreation and leisure resort they designed in Tagaytay City. Just imagine the challenge here. You have to create this stunning resort that works perfectly for guests, all while blending it seamlessly into the gorgeous natural landscape. Now, let's go from that huge resort to something much more personal and intimate. This is a 2-story family home in Antipolo City. It really shows their incredible range, right? They can apply those same thoughtful design principles to create a perfect home for a single family.
And one more for you, this time a larger 6-bedroom residential project. This just proves, once again, how they tailor their designs to fit different needs, which goes right back to that core vision of reflecting each client's unique lifestyle.
The projects look fantastic, but what's it really like to work with them? I think the best way to find that out is to hear directly from the people who've lived and worked in the spaces they've created. So first up is Carlos, a manager. He calls his time with them an exceptional experience, pointing out their amazing attention to detail and responsiveness. And I love this final line. The design didn't just meet his expectations, it exceeded them. That's exactly what you want to hear.
Next, Andrea, a director, touches on something so critical in architecture, that balancing act between making something look absolutely stunning and making sure it's actually practical for everyday life. She says they totally nailed it, creating a space that's both beautiful and highly practical. And finally, we have Martin, a business owner. He talks about the entire process, from concept to completion, and gives them credit for their innovative solutions and expertise. But that key phrase, their ability to bring our vision to life. That just says it all, doesn't it?
So we've seen their vision, we've seen their incredible work, and we've heard from some very happy clients. The only question left is, what about your dream home or project? They're putting the question directly to you. Are you ready to take that first step and start your own project? If the answer is yes, here's all the info you need to get in touch. To wrap things up, CJD Architects and Partners is clearly a firm that excels at turning a personal vision into a real, enduring piece of architecture, all built on a foundation of collaboration and a truly impressive portfolio.